Hey guys, welcome to the workout. Today we're going to be doing some things that will help to keep your hips and your back healthy. We're starting with something called a T because my body is in the shape of a T right here. And I'm just laying on my stomach and I'm letting my arms, my hands come down to the ground. And right before they touch the ground, I'm going to come straight back up. And remember, I'm keeping my thumbs up. Now I'm going into Ys. My body is in the shape of a Y and my arms are out like a Y. My thumbs are up and I'm just coming up. Every time I come up, I want to exhale. Okay, now I'm in the shape of a W. And this one, we're just keeping the thumbs out again, and we're just coming up, exhaling as we come up, okay? This is also working the shoulder, but it's good for keeping that back healthy. Okay, now we are going into scorpions, okay? This is really great on the hips, okay? It helps stretch them out, helps work on the flexibility and the mobility in your hips. You want to do these slowly and just bring that foot over to touch the opposite hand, okay? And you're trying to keep your upper body on the floor. Don't let your upper body come up too much when you reach over with that foot. Okay, good job, everyone. All right, now we're going to wall slides. We've done these standing, but now these wall slides are going to be where you're laying down, okay? So you're just squeezing your shoulder blades together as you bring your elbows down. You want to bring your elbows down into your side as far as you can, as far down as you can. Every time you come down, I want you to exhale. All right, good job, everyone. Perfect. Okay, now this one I just named the overhand clap. You're just bringing your arms down to your side, and then you're going to bring them up over your head and almost like you're going to clap your hands together, except it's the back of your hands that are coming up and touching each other. So your palms are facing outward on this one. All right, 10 reps on there. Okay, now we are doing like an upright row. Okay, we know upright rows when we stand up and do them, but now we're going to do them in this lying down position. All right, good job, everyone. I know all of these things on the floor are more difficult than what they look like on the video. If you try them, they're actually kind of hard to do. All right, next we're going into a low back stretch. I know this also stretches out your midsection, and that's great, but we're trying to focus on that low back. And to do that, I want you to try to go up on your tippy toes. Okay, so see right here, I'm going up on my toes. Okay, you're going to feel that more in the low back. And you don't have to hold that up on your toes for a long time. You can just practice going up and down, okay? Because this one is challenging on that low back. But it's a great thing to do for the low back to help keep that strong and keep some flexibility in there. Okay, now I'm going to have you get on your hands and knees, okay? And you're going to lean back. I want you to push your hips back and upward, okay? And see how I went down onto my forearms here? And you're just trying to keep those hips high up, okay? This is a great stretch on those hips, okay? And then now, see how I'm spreading my knees a little further apart, okay? I'm going to spread them apart as much as I can. And this is such a great stretch on those hip flexors, okay? And all through kind of that inner thigh area. This is a really good one. Now, this one's challenging, so you can work your way up to doing these ones. And I just want you to hold this. Just try to hold each of these stretches like about 30 seconds or so and see how I go down on my forearms now. Okay, so I'm getting even more of a stretch. Now I'm going to go into walkouts. It's like I'm walking my hands out as far as I can, and then I'm just walking them back. Okay, this is great for that hip mobility, that low back mobility. It's good for a lot of things here. It's even good on your shoulders when you're walking out like this. It's working on that shoulder mobility as well. All right, good job, everyone. Great. This is really important things that you can do to keep your hips and your low back healthy, okay? The key when we age is to keep that mobility and that flexibility. That's a very big deal. Okay, now we are going to sumo squats to stand. Okay, so your feet you have a wide stance, okay, and I have your hands are on the ground. And I just want you coming down into a squat position as low as you can. As you can see here, I'm not really coming very low, okay? But as I do these, I want to try to go a little bit lower each time, okay? Just try to sink your hips into that stretch toward the bottom, okay? And keep that chest tall as you come down. See how I'm kind of keeping my chest high up as I come down. I don't want my back to curve. I want to stay nice and tall as I come down. All right, we're going 10 reps on these. You're just doing them nice and slowly. All right, so that's basically it, guys. Just give that a try and go out and make it a great day.